Bueno, tuko tawatanite na baturu kirorwa rekiri mabango yo kuguke mathaya makai yathiri nyuma ya nthiguru ya Kenya iri kubanga gutenga ntuko ya kuhanda miti na kiri wandi pupo miti President William Ruto ariwa kiri administration ya atira bakuhanda 15 billion trees na kiri moroto yo nikendo chokandiria nthiguru ya Kenya kumania na drought ire thirite kioneka for the last either 4 kana 5 years kenda Kenya yithira ina mbura ya kuana na kinya catchment areas nyingi ciithiri kianga setend kenda kumenyera rera lakini antubamona bonde baciumirite na kumeneria ntuko yoro bakiwa thirikari tabangite ntubu boya nontu pokore ndege cie mawaziri kuma county mwanka county irengi bakiwa DCC na county commissioners nibo barabatire kwewa ngwe kenda utira mbeta cia Kenya itikura kiri kuikia masies na ndege kuma county mwanka county irengi na kwa county ni ya Meru kurare na siasa cia uchokera rwaria ro kuingata gavana itine ro kiumikithiru ra onokiruni Senate mubunge wa Centurimenti Kiremangushine na wakuolotwa Dorothy Muthoni bakiwa bo miario ira yarirwe ni mubunge wa Bore mugambire ndikini bo ba mutumite ari mukariti wo na ikayuku ya kaire miario ya wewe ngore neo kuina barwa ikuthiulunka mitandaoni ikiwa County Assembly ya Meru kana ni petition ya mbunge ya Meru yenge mawaziri na chief officers barabonde baringanithirwe na mantu igi utumira buthu ku PCCO kiri Senate ni governor Meru Kabira Mwangaza ntububo kaombeka account ya Meru re yitite naki mantu igwiti na mbere na ngwataniro nyuma ya Senate uchokia governor Kabira rugero rwa rendi na bwana KAIMENYI no ngwatie kwa radio ntubo ni liaison officer kiri mbunge ya county ya Meru runguru wa obisi ya Seneta wa Meru Kathuri Murungi na urani deputy speaker wa mbunge nene ya Senate aranira batukule kura 40188 namba yetu ya SMS through live kuri Facebook through live kuri YouTube kedra kithoma ntumire chiaku na kinyo opinion chiaku tuwita na mbere na mubango karibu sana bwana.
Thank you ibaga sana Mutembei
yeah
bithekeria mbere mankethi mo Meru mwire muga no ringi muga ndikugurio mono ukugweta mantu ja wandi mite goro
yeah sure
exercise ira karikite almost countrywide I think ndronere kinya TV ne enu na kinya ira ingi ati mite ni randirwe all over mbuge exercise ira ni dream njaka mono ya president wetu wona mite itukwanda mite 15 billion kiri thirikari yawe personally ndra participate kuri andi metegoro bautu turali muito ne Joangaya
na National Foundation
Igembe North kurukira kama National Foundation of course kumane na championship ya Seneta wetu wa Meru Seneta Kathuri Murungi na uchore bwawe na foundation ita wa EK Foundation kana Estacats Foundation para papatinite nabo kiri mantu jangi ja maingi but specifically goro ukurukira foundation yeji turobete ku provide mite girithano cha kwando muito ne Joangaya na mitingi kwe wali akaliba area beta kwanda nja ciao na euni exercise ira turatindire goro na ndona a very fruitful exercise mbuge wandi bo mitiki nyethera igoro irali combination ya specific day a public holiday specifically ntuba kwanda miti mitite kairambiririe kwando igoro since time in memoria mitino itura kwando na mbuge specifically season yeji pautwe kumania na kama National Foundation iturandithaia miti itwandithitie miti mwankagu close to 25,000 so niji chirende jojo na some parts of Tigania Igembe tukeja na mikandania na itukwirigira kuthwa tukikinyirithania nteto iu in the next 2 weeks tukinye target yetu na turithithio u ni untu pa kuthwa tukiparticipate kiri nteto ira president yakuga cia tukinyirithania miti 15 billion kenda tuchokaniria rera yetu nthiguru ne yonte of course ituria raisite Kenya climatic conditions ichenjete na nyamono na kinya muthikiria wetu no admit rojorora rwi kwao rojorora rutwire kwao irethero seasonal irethero permanent rivers ichi achenjire dynamics chiachio ndrataga ntuku ingi aria mariara mbere kwa uraga egaiti rojoro gaitia ndaga chene mariara witete kariene rojoro gaitia ndaga chene thingitho kwa ura kugatwika kuna nguvu isatoronda narua inyago kaura kinye daiji tugwetekaniria mbura yurite mbura nene sana but tutirona mbura yu tutirona roje ruro kingia na inya anto baba ingi tukairania tuge karu andoji chekero pipe ne which is also true but itekyo kithirite ndoje miuro yetu kira kithirite ndoje miuro yetu ikwithirwa weather na patterns cia climate cia changerie of course catchment areas ichi atemero miti muito jaju turari jwa ngaya mtu mwe turari no aratwira muito jwe na kimencho miti etemerwe to an extent that ogwo kejo TJ muito kuri area umba kwithirwa uri ukathugani immune ne anturi.
So let me ask you something. Yoro CS Penina Malonza akiaria rawire Meru inankiri target ya 11 million. So far Meru ni andite 10 million. Unia from where I sit I tend to disagree. Toko andamite 10 million out of 11 million target?
I also disagree with the figures.
Yeah.
10 million maybe akiaragiria specifically goro au disagree no to well ikurari na groups nyingi igoro in the field imbone indronere mwashimwa rindikire Kiremanguchine na mwashimwa Muthoni bali na Arura buri indronere bangi including kina ura waromba gitikia wemele birire bali tigania na mwashimwa Mpuru indrone bautu ingokura na uturari mwito no jwangaya mwashimwa Taitumu ibarari eri nge pakeja gutunjwa ni mwito no jwangaya so ikurari na antoba ikurari na groups nyingi kirari thaia mitekoro including kinye uyongwe wira tongerwe ni CS Penina Malonza lakini kwa anda mite 10 million just yesterday
not yesterday target irene kanidi ya Meru ni 11 million but akawa so far Meru ni ande 10 million.
Well 10 million agetogeta 10 million maybe from kumarera President Ruto ajokire gete it could be true. Maybe katira quantify statement yawe ni onto bautu immediately after kutonya OBICINE ya SENETA kinya season induru December itwaejene mete though very silently lakini itwaejene mete close to 10,000 somewhere there na ndatega bautu initiatives ito thithia inkomenya mweshimua Kairemia pena the same similar initiative kwa ndithia mete inkomenya MPs baba inge ba Meru pena similar initiatives cia kwa ndithia mete tukatega dynamics ito kiringa na ira mete yonde ikethra ne arataraga kuma season induru kweja thaiji kinya tuketho tutikinyete 10 million we are not far from the same but then I should say whether ito andite mete 10 million or not I think ikethwa 10 million ito andite so far then tutira achieve tuikuraja na kwa achieve kira target yetu ya Meru nonto oma Meru tuikuraja itugwitaji mete bwega visibility mete ni gwitaji kabwega Meru na mono kire catchment areas including mito kuri party nyingi cia mito monga thai tititirandwa mete so kira woni ndengeuga nonto thirikari na mbeche tengete nonto bo andi bwa mete metera batu tukweja na kuma gika National Foundation te kuma kithirikari ni initiative ya foundation te thirikari so metera thirikari kweja na then I think ne gwitie kuri program wenjega antu bombe kugwata meteu na njire nonto katega yes ikoro iturejere to anda mete na antu ba anda meteu ya thirikari pau barari party u thirikari ra eje na mete but the question is after yesterday nonto no twenderete na antu betu beta yali kwa anda mete kuri mete tigere bendere ya kwanda ethra ni tigere inaire which is the procedure ya kugwata mete.
So let me ask you this kiri story still ya kwanda mete some people think thirikari no tumira mbeca buthuku because urire minister mwendege au me county moka county rengi wita kwanda mete so the argument is kwenda county commissioners kwenda DCC ni onto thirikari tu task anto babare kire local ground ba anda mete hanto tumira mawaziri ba wita from one county to another na indege ba utumira na maybe mbeca hii si tumika ya na njira ingi kire ukiri uchumi bwa Kenya ringi kitewe bunene bwana
bwana Mutembe imbuge to some extent inkwangiri na Kenya bau bakwigwa thirikari ni kwenyangia mbeca kire process yeji kinyaningwa I have had a similar sentiment and of course I've raised it in other forums te ajuju ake TV ne ni unto kwanda mite if you asked me igoro beta baga kule group emwe ra tunjoinire tukianda mite mwitu ne jura nte kwenda kumikuti no tutaya kwenda kuba maraini but group eu after go tunjoin no ne thirikari I felt like anto baba beja kikujuriri bandire mite bachoke bete maratachi ne bandike ibandire mite of which te baba provide te mite imite anto bangi initiative yao ikweja ke baba lingwe bicha bachoke beta bauge iba
For the camera.
For the camera.
Yeah.
You know, of course, tokairania resources together chitumĩrĩkĩre process yeu, of which resources you on ground gũtĩcio imaukune. Thirikari yetu ni kuona kinya ni kwĩna wĩnyangia bubu nene, especially kire program yeu kwa ndamĩtĩ. Igoro tukatara CSs na PSs na senior government officials barabara ground kwa ndene mĩtĩ. Ibaba inge muno batumirite ndeke ndenda guturania mheshimiwa CS Maronza. Omba kwithura arandire mĩtĩ ng'ana Meru igoro. I bet you. Yeah. Akethura andite mĩtĩ nkurukie 5. Then naguitaji kuringirwa mpi.
5 ni mingi bwana.
Ni uma bonte to. Yeah. CSs na PS na bau bangi bonte bakeja bande muti jora jo kamera after kwana muti jo kamera. Pete bali arura podium ne balinge siasa bau mare bachitere batutendeke kairi ndege tumirembeche nyingi na anto batigwa ibo pakanda mitethera kuri ereo na mwana na mwithire nya mitethera tigirwe so onde na kuga ni kuona kwena winyangia budget yere tumiri kire issue yegoro kuri ondra igirito mtunge akegweta figures ndaigwo gwa teshu ethera ichio tia uma lakini chikeja kwithiro ichio tia uma then something is very wrong. No to figure gwetagwa is almost equivalent to target MT ira tukwintende kwanda kire gitara ya William Ruto ekeja kuthwa ne tumiritwe igoro that kind of a figure then something is worrying.
Majority leader na kwa green belt ni ratumikira nonto ariwa ibatumirite mbesa but kwenda ko justify ariwa ni mbesa ira ba budget ire kana bakulukire kire budget ire so they have not gone beyond the budget so iko maanisha yes ibatengere mbesa na mbesa je thetiete nitumekite that is for sure
the you mbeji uchi kwenyango u mbeji uchi well kwanda mitipo ine ndie ndongi na ninje kaburu twambe twere ano kwanda
but kuna njira ya kwanda mitito tumira that money
anto kwenyangia mbeji usi yes beta bagi keberi kiume aja kigware CS to mwe kana baire bara bathirukite na ndege imbecha chigutumira na kinya baringita na ngari te akwiro baringita na ngari imwe kinya na ndege iretere of course na radio kirwingari so na reteri imotakendi yewe ya kawaida so resources ichiratumirwo nyingi muno anto gutumira resources ire chonde kire this noble cause I think oni ndenge angiri na mokurura toeta te ura wa mazingira the rate Wangari Maathai kwanda muti it doesn't require community kwithirwa HMN. Kwanda muti requires an initiative ya noble person ukuthugania na wena dream yenye kwenda kuchenjerera yetu achwe muti. In fact kwanda muti doesn't call for miteji nyatu kweja na yemukone mtu wena initiative areti yake kuona muti anto arajuga akurwa menya mbewe muti ni kwira mali anto agwite kubwiro just pick it may replant somewhere else arega akura bwega kwanda muti and you are helping us to gutethia climate yetu so mugeri resources ira chiratumirwe it is quite unfortunate na I don't know who will call off president wetu William Ruto no to some extent ba utwitu ambirite kuona jeka kwena double speak. He is saying one thing in the mouth but the action is saying a different right now ndegoro yetu ke umiete mono we are all over taxing people anto abakumia taxes anto batena bya kurea nteto nyingi ahirunga mapodium ne akaria nteto very sweet ora ndegoro itete gukarapoga lakini ukeja kire action things are not the same mbuge personally supporter wawe and you know I supported him ndramorombera kura na nteruga ndotika kumo support but if it doesn't change things are not moving in the right direction.
No, kiri siasa bandu cia kwanda ankwenda tu conclude nto botu itakire mantu yange mitini raandirwe ikukura kuka gazeto wa catchment areas kwanda miti na maintain two different things.
Exactly.
Mitini raandirwe no ka maintain miti because I remember sometimes back kurinya thirikari account emero yaandite mitira yonde tumira mbesa anga keguru anga ya umire so miti ya karuno nonto mwaziri baruwa bo batumike county yu kenda kumenyera mitira mwaziri babe ninya kanya kabita kumenyera miti shwale
mbuge atiri kire India si ucho ndenda igwa cha kumenyera miti ira ndronere chithongi for example mwito jojo angaya nyayo tisoni baraugire bakajo adapt it's a very nice and noble cause nonto baka adapt mwito then ipo bethro be responsible ke kumenyera miti wirandirwe na erengi bakaanda indiregirwe kinya chairperson wa NSSF Mheshimiwa Kaberia akiuga boja NSSF bena target ya mitira bakwenda kwanda na bamenyere miteu monka ekure. It's a very noble cause. Iketo mbautu kiri initiative yetu kwandithia miti kukurukira kama National Foundation turauga gatwi once you plant a tree adopt that tree. Ugwa wengwa mwene kwanda muti you adopt ujo karie ujo menyere wone muti ujo gukura. In that way tutithirwa akikwanda ikwanda na gwatikisha ujo gukura jute kenyangwe kana jute gakurwe ni antu para bate kwenda ba na arwa mitu ne namo mitu etema wa miti kenda antu barima so tukarega gukaria mitira twandire kuri mtumba kwenyangia agichwa kuri ma party ewe munda mbuge kiri thirikari I think thirikari ni gwitia ethirwa genuine kiri mantu jaja nontu tugateka resources ira tugwikira tumirwe goro chikethirwa icho chigutumirwa kiri gukaria miti na uga gukaria ikweja na incentives kiri mwananchi ethirwa no kaanda muti na achoke akarie nontu kwina gantu fulani gatachitwe kiri nteto iu nteto ere ringi kinyanira mbeta nkuruki na in the long run tukithiria miaka 5 twethirwa twina miti ekungana mbuge atiri bwana Mutembei tuteke umeke story unterauga buna bwe mathoganine jakwa ndino gwa bu nene muno immediately after President William Ruto kujukia giti bena Rigathi Gachagua we saw them on different occasions bakiaragiria mantu ja ku legalize gutema miti mitune kairi inyatha iji gutirigoraise etwe people have been doing it right with illegal logging kwia miti mwitune which ontobora tukukashifu na inya muno na twenda buthira oni buge tukethora turenda kwanda miti 15 billion but before miti mutejo tukurana antu kwimwe ja mitira tukwanda indigenous ejo ketie the shortest period of time kungana ya te ya mature ne at least yone kana jwe muti it's close to 10 years na miti eje tege ntwire maybe miaka 3 gweta miaka 5 kena muti juju jungana tuga no ijo gutethia na ndege gukuchia kire gukuchia mbura tukeja kuthithia mistake tukethirwa turi andithia miti tuchoke maybe 1 or 2 years down the line kana kinya meri 3 ine 5 ekithira season ije igitweka aki beta baligorize gutama miti mitune then we shall have lost the cause nontu tukethira tukwanda indi tweta kwinyangia mbere inya no ikura kethiri climate tukwenda kauma kukaria then itubatere kuthwa twi sincere kiri initiatives chetu tukera na muito resource imwera twine Kenya my resource but then resource ije ni batere gukarwo bwega na gutumirwo bwega kenda twahakikisha ni gutethia mukenya njire imwe kumikaria bwega igwahakikisha miti ete gutamo mwitune tukataka kumarura President Uhuru Kenyatta aingire gutema miti mwitune ugataka mito at least nione karire jeke kumaninjika kiasi na aru oteona miti temangi kienyeji ou inya wethira jutemi I want na we amba kwe inya sheria gekirwe kari amba pateura lakini at least kaba tu maninja mwamba anto atwithira tu etheria rigo gutema miti mwitune na tukiandithaia miti tuchoke ndenda uni na bwa miti rira ngweta kwanda miti nye Mheshimiwa Kathuri Murungi antumite ngeta wiringiri ngeta antena question inonto nara ngukwirira roju rwa mariara rwa thingithu ndenda kuona roju rwa ruchokete muro kairi nonto anto bara bena aro atharaka bakona roju rwa kulima naru na bona roju rwa kulima naru bya kurabi kuona kabya gwitia na hajo turi that is my dream ikeja kuthwa dream u tutu bakumbikaria tukaanda miti milioni 10 maratachine next year tuchoka tweta tudikire mito nite mwe then we shall have lost the cause
now to shift gear kidogo kire wandipo mitioro nindironere mubunge wa Centurimenti nominated MP Dorothy Muthoni na mubunge wa Bure bakiarie barawire kiri ukuye bwa Senate nara kwari impeachment ya Governor Kawira nibo batumite mubunge wa Bure manto yarariri yatare yawe yari ya MPs Meru na mubunge rendikirie kwarira wire we mwangathai akwiruta siasa ene Cia Meru nambi arendo concentrate kiri Ciaca Cia Bure abunge Meru kabara give up na siasa ile sikuendelea Meru na mtu kagonda concentrate kungu hiyo because ndironere abunge barayaro bena githikiro kinene
Well, it is true ati riria mheshimiwa rindikire aragia Senate ataragiria sentiments ciawe wenka aragiria abunge 12 ba Meru para bathuri na para banominatetwe the 12 of them ya chairman wao mbuge well abunge no baithikire na nyaningwa kethire umwe wao ndingigwa nchithikirite ni untu umathe na Meru tekera thira if anything kerongerekere. But there is nothing big we can do. And of course, whatever happened.
What do you feel the nageronge Meru?
Of course, the nageronge Meru. Last time in the previous impeachment, lera Governor Kawira etera impeachment area. Kinya gutethwa ibara baugiri ba mutetherie na choka Meru.
President uwire.
Yes, president na ugire akomutetheria na inya kachagu ibetekiriri po ba mutetherie bakomutethia. Then at least senators iba ejene recommendations tiora Meru igeta na mbere iba mwirite ndio chenchi aja uthi aja urekebishe bubu kena Meru ita na mbere. In this impeachment, what were the recommendations?
What is you?
So definitely dina kerongerekere. No, you cannot tell me one of the recommendations ikwethirwa Meru bange ponde ni antobandu antobara kebate na ndu ikawira mwangasa na mukuru wawe. Is that really a recommendation from the Senate? So the naya Meru, if anything, ete kinya kwina kuthira. Na tukairania, of course, moving forward, I expect a lot to change. Nuntu imbije kinya bau bale iguru na bau bagotethania bagacho monora bakeja Meru bakiuga ibejete kugwathania. Bano beja bakagwatithania. Thiri koneka, but you mark my words. Kinya konekana ithere ya kenine.
But Kaima, I feel something kwina rift irio kiratongere ba Mount Kenya. Why am I saying this? Immediately after Senate ikonokia Governor Kawira, Moses Kuria umrara wake ya Meru once a month. Kwa kwariria ngwataniro ei. So indrone deputy president akiwinyawe akeya gwatanithia Meru. Who is speaking for Mount Kenya? Igashagwa no in charge ya counties. Ina Moses Kuria kumaini between yao.
Bwana Martin Buge lift yewe katikati kao, which is very vivid na ne kuonekania. I think to some extent ne mwere ferire Meru na anteto iji chia play out kire Meru ichiari na connection kire ishiwe kuthrojo na kwenda kuga rojo ngena kwenda kuga, of which Meru inyethra to Mount Kenya. I think a time has come rira kinya bautu a Meru tupatana nande kumira nande tuge Meru is Meru as a community and Meru is not Mount Kenya. Personally ni naru orageria go convince Meru Mount Kenya o wi mondo kwa number 1 nuntu atanotia bara bendero rugongo rwa rungirwa kirima ni achore betu atu kuringa kura kirima gika flat kuka benderi bagutona twende jitu kubona na tukabaikia ngugi not once not twice mention kuma igitara ababiojojo bietu igitara mau Ameru ibaikirie gikungugi ijakire igita inyara ya Kenyatta 1 msejo mo Kenyatta Ameru baraike gikungugi igitara ya Kibaki Ameru baraike gikungugi Uhuru Kenyatta the other day arari president wetu wa Kenya Ameru baraike gikungugi na aru aligathe gachagua our brother from the other side Ameru no babaikite ngugi. I want to say this, pautwe ja Ameru tote kuona tokiewa giteo kiria tumba kuitaji na to deserve kuma kira tano chia bara bali side rengi.
Are you saying Meru is micromanaged?
Meru is micromanaged. Now I have no fear na nte kuigwa gwa nkiugo nte kwenda kuga no kume micromanage. But then our brothers should give us respect. Issues cia Meru chicha ku kanivasi ura bakwenda issue cia Meru ira ringanirwe ya ringanwa ibo bonka. You can mention them te kwenda kugweta anyone including governors bao ibo bara ungana yante toiji na bau bangi okweta mbere yegwe yao te kwenda kuba kwetera au mbuge they need to respect Ameru na mbere mu Meru ro tutekete arinja a time has come rira bautu Ameru tubatere go champion our own cause turi Ameru indirection iri kutwenda Meru ijukia na kwina mistake na kwina misconception kuigwa iri kiri Meru. Yes, turi aggrieved na itukuigwa tumiete muno nuntu boria atano cia bago to treat na raba kujukia nteto cia Meru bakachiringania, lakini twithirwa tuithite mistake nene muno kuga bautu turi Meru ati twite opposition nuntu watano cia baba betu kiri storage opposition itari na batu kiri storage atano cia bara bandere ibato ebere. So either way, with opposition is not a solution.
You're on your own.
Yes, we are on our own. With opposition is solution. Solution ye gutethia Meru igo champion cause ya Meru. Twarie na twetikanirie ya Meru. Kenda kinya moving forward, I am saying this. Meru ne batere gutiga kwithirwa ikanyama akugwithira tiri. Ati nyama ya yitwa ya kungana ekirwa gukura nyama ekwe 500 gagukinya 480 kanyama ga chiringi 20 kagitwara gakuongera kendera tiri ojura. Meru ne batere kumoka gikanyama kau. Meru turi antu bena kura close to 1 million. We should make our votes count. Meru to batere kwambire guchua ikeja kwithirwa western ni kumba kuthwa ina kingpins bairi. That is Moses Wetangula na Mandivindi. Kingpins bairi na nabo bo bairi ni influential kiri thirikari. Umwe speaker wa bunge nene na ungi Ibrahim Cabinet Secretary. Na bena CS bae ikumane na bo bairi. Kinyatungwa Meru
na SG wa UDA.
Na SG wa UDA. Meru itobatare ko make kura yu chieto chikaunti. The only way to do that teko thokia thirikari na teko join opposition. Kana ugi go support thirikari. Yes, it to me support no to it's the government of the day and we need resources from it to temeura. But then ito batere kwambiria go champion cause ya Meru. Meru bagwatanire to egento ki direction ira tukajukia 2027.
Let me ask you before
kidogo ntika rules my way of thought. Tugita kule ne 2027. Mumira ate batere kwita kuringa kura nonto bagwike mwekungugi. Mumira abatere kwita kuringa kura nonto bwa go support the Meru cause. Group ira tugakara ne on the group turi a Meru to negotiate. Ito batere komenya from the onset what is on the table for the Meru community, and I have this in mind. Diria Mutua Alfred Mutua ejere ko negotiate na thirikari rere kuna arua mbere nye kura iringwa na ije aka minister mbere kura iringwa. Diria Amason King ejere na kiama kia ko negotiate na thirikari rere kuna arua na ije aka speaker wa Senate. The same case ke Moses Wetangula, the same case ke Mudavadi, the same case kere Moses Kuria. Ibaiji imbi kia magiakwa na community yakwa ikonenkero thirikari nyume kujuke giti. Those are the dreams to batare gukamata nonto ba Meru. To te batare gwetaira kura chiringwa twithura twiyanda masi ya anto bangi. A time must come to champion ya India ya Mumeru no arungame na bwawe akaimekera decision na aka forward na India yora Meru igakara bwega teto thingatite anyone else. And the moment we do that, everyone will respect Meru.
So my question now is, Meru kwina kiama kia Nopeu, Meru kwina kiama kia Bas, Meru kwina kiama kia PNU kina Munya, Meru kwina UDA, Meru kwina Jubilee. Kuringana na political parties these two champion ideas chia babongwa, do you see Meru iki unites towards 2027 kwina political parties could range from wanasiasa when interest yawe because okay weta western kuna weta kimusali yana kiama kiawe right weta kiweta be yake manto interest ya community be ya amo bakera Twitter na njire but Meru either independent. Take a very good example kiri siasa cia mwaka muthiru Kirito Murungi na Basi yewe na Nopeu pari the other side na PNU ya Munya nukuona kiama kirake kia Meru ikiama kia president yake kia UDA niko kia support the government na ikio thirikari unity ikoneka.
Ntengi uga woni to bunje vyama biu bionde tonjoini kiama kimwake ibikale bingi yo okuga bwega uga Mudavadi na kiama kiawe Moses Kuria na kiama kiawe
but kwa kiri interest ya community the champion
para yina mugambo jomo ndera ivone Weru TV na haru anto barampumba kwera ibathuganirie Meru mbere ya baithuganiria ithe top leadership yo tongeria bwa siasa Meru all the way from Senator Kadhuri Murungi, Mithikari Nturi, former CS Peter Munya, na Kinya Governor Kawira Mwangasa. The four of them baga champion a serious idea ya Meru. Unity ya Meru. I am telling you, no one will ignore us in the future. But I'm telling you this. Mutembei, you can take this to the bank. Atanochia barabara in the area. They are also very cunning. Nandauga ntikuga bonde. They are really political class. They are very cunning. Na the moment bakaria raisi bukwenda kwalira mugambo jumwe. No monga bakachwa njira chyo bwathurana. From either within yourselves kana kinya batea bakachwa njira chyo bwathurana. Kenda bachigisha butukumba na I can tell you for free. Kimwogera kira atumire Governor Kawira Mwangasa say for this time round ikenda mumiru atikari na mugambo jumwe. You can take that to the bank. Urokumba kwera imbi nkuga agatega ntate una akerwa. Kira atumire say for this time round the biggest of it imomero atikari na mugambo.
Utega atrare makosa na ale makosa.
Ai kinya impeachment irengi bandi mitera na ale makosa. Kinya wengwa ari Senate mumiru ule ondikirite na kumenya uma Governor Kawira Mwangasa kire county kwandika na irregularly na andimitira wengwa araugatini pandekana county secretary araurio nguge kwe kwa appoint chief officers court kire county secretary arauga wengwa kinya county secretary na power. What does that one mean? So tema kosa ya terareo
isiasa
kaparali determined como save. Teno ntoba gutethia mumiru. You take that to the bank. Ino ntoba selfish interest. Tia para mo save. And one of the selfish interest igwatikisha Meru etethro ekiaria na mugambo jumwe. They want to have undivided Meru. Twethro atongeria betu umwale menya na nde alio nde open yo imbije kumajo jo maige ya kejama in direction. But if I do not speak that way, Ameru batemenya what is happening. And to about to area, they realized MPs beto ponde the 12, including Senator. CS, Mithikari Nturi, including former CS Peter Munya, including former Governor Kiraito Murungi, mention them atongeria ba Meru. All high ranking Meru leadership.
For the first time.
For the first time.
Yeah, I agree.
Paralite in one voice. For the first time. Paralite na mugambo jumo na betekaniriti. Anto bara batu twerera manto ja mega batingienda anto bau penderea kwa na mugambo jumwe. Nonto after this, believe me or not, the political times cia Meru kachirari chigo chenjia na Meru ire ya gutura united. Nonto unity no nekerekere atongeria. The moment ibejire amwe for one cause na bami maninji boga Patreja kwa divide.
Kaime no usetha kandi ya Meru because ukaweta ke voting pattern Meru no yari number 4 kiro ringe kura usupport thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza no usetha kandi
ntekwenda kuga no guchetha kandi ni untu ndikuga maige jara ya Kenya this direction but mtu no thikirite no kwenda gufumbua fumbo na kumenya iba uba guchetha kandi te mtu umwe but muno ndauga kairi kirima kieja frati tukiringa kura kuri mtu kwenda kirima gitura kwa frati ria tukuringa kura ria tutekurene kirima kikethero gitetie the moment atongeria ba Meru ba united ura barari united na nikira mpumbo baromba da iji remain united.
Yeah.
The 59 MCAs, the 12 MPs, CS, former governor, high ranking leadership ya atongeria ba Meru, please remain united. Na bakomba ko remain united paketha bako defeat that demon iwirejere ko kinyanga Meru ringi. Lakini of course kinyoro ra ithema ndo jau naije ara maneuver kenda Meru etika gwatanire.
I want to ask you something.
You know kuri pastor mwendere girwaria bwega goro ntikwenda kumuquote enda gachiariria wengwa na ndaigwo ntubu gwandingithia muno ori atiri kuma thirikari ici kuruke. What serious project have we demanded from the national government? Ituetetie inyinge imbigetu MPs bakiuga turetere but tutiromba ku unite tufonji tueta tukananze kuna president tumwira bubu butakari our irreducible minimums 1 2 3 non to bubu tekare kanto but united So somebody wants us to remain ununited, to remain divided. Kenda kinya resources iri batere kwa Meru, anto ajithajire Meru, kuna anto bangi bako benefit. And the moment we open our eyes and realize that, the better for us.
Wow. Ukulukira mutambo yo Facebook, kwina mtu wetu wa Pius Kubai, aduwa not yet to freedom, we shall overcome soon. Mutwiri Josi Sekawai, what if MCs play and to get? What if the county assembly rejects the supplementary budgets and other business agendas from the governor's office? What if county assembly ignores the executive, just like they ignored them when earlier summoned? Kawira anafaa kule ujuri wake till the end. We have the nurses have down their tools as they and earlier the nurses down their tools as they and earlier announced. Subject to confirm nontoero kura republic holding roba bati kwethira bakambire mugomo we don't know kithira bawita mugomo bantu tutamenya missionary Karote Junior Franklin akawaluta continue. We cannot give in to incompetence and lose ones from the governor's office. She must listen to Meru people that she thinks don't belong to her. Aende. Right. Peter Wambogo akawa, how do you say that there was a recommendation na ilikuwa kitu Kajwang alisema tu sijamuelewa but ku tukajwang aririe na tukaririe ontobo. Dennis Modhomi aliwa Meru will never speak with one voice because you are represented by Tumbocrats who want to represent the interest of their friends and families. Na kwena mtu wetu Jackson Mudhuri aliwa we know what happened but it is not the end. Meru must stand. Kenneth Kirime kawa just joined the show. Okay. I don't really know Kisho. I think he knows you, but it's okay. The best ever conversation I've ever had. Anyways, show bro. Arua no yo wekire show ruare. It seems that you kumenya, but Arua we are having the best show ever this morning. Kintu kana kwenda twareria kuri na recommendation. I don't know kidi recommendation kana yari something ya kukejelini ya Meru. Because if I remember, Kajwang it seems Ameru born there as we speak basis on your mountainous, including the deputy speaker. Urawe kiri nyumba ya Senate. Aso kawa if Antoma Meru batewete kia Governor Meru amba kugovern, then ito dissolve county mzima, governor choke kurene, MCs ba choke kurene, Ameru bamwe. Was it maybe an advice? Kana yari tu statement ya okejeli ya Meru?
I think statement ya okejeli ya Meru bateta batera kumirau, you know, mbuga muthikirio wetu gukuria statement yu ne atea. Of course ntekuga recommendation ankura yatiri ni untore ari ingi senators by general recommendations tia biria governor batera guchenjia na biria assembly batera guchenjia kenda bomba ku work together na bomba ku deliver services kire Meru. This time round, what were the recommendations? No ntonto bara ke bwarirwe kanto baronga ma emotionally. You know, governance ite kuitaji emotions. Lakini uona seneta akironga ma emotionally. Sijui I have a daughter, I have a wife who doesn't have one. Now, anto aburunga mabutwira atiri isaba tukubanga tuga save governor. Wenu ntuba biria mbuga birerwe kana whatever. Pokubanga buka save governor. Pondi bandi metre including Aaron Cheruiyot to move our motion ira dene ya Senate. Bandi metre ati kwena thina Meru na thina ya Meru iri ntere chionde sachi that keto mbaguga kwenga governor na kurega kumwenga
bandu kuna thina
either way kwena thina Meru na Aaron Cheruiyot auga wengwa governor wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza na andi metre ki some of the cases iji aiketu na cho wengwa akiaria ni ugire. But the question is kiri uonere governor wengwa kwandimeti meya did he vote kumwanya ni untu bwachio kiwi kiuri Meru abatare kuichokeria kana tuiru aria mtu aragia Senate. You know, for the first time ndonere nteto ntona kairi Senate ya Kenya ati impeachment process yenderete senators bakarinde guru rwaria rwenderete bakaumara bonde bakatigwa antu batano banana na ndio karigwa ri at what time are they able to understand imbie kuendelea story je ite kwado tu for the purposes of the listeners ivo bakwirwa kenda bonethera kwina evidence if issues have been substantiated na at one point no ntoni ndale Senate physically at one point indale dinya bara twale na bwabu wakwi au comes kinya speaker iri kinyetha riria council ya assembly interrogate witnesses speaker agachi excuse agatika somebody else on the chair. Something was not adding up. Ndio rio kenda Mumeru ali arise what was na video chiri live on air.
No, it was live, we saw.
Of course titapurua down. So kenda gweta ko verify unguga. Ndio eta umetaka kairi you realize anto baba patacho agaira Meru solution. Arunchoria tukurunga makuga ngavana na admitere some of the mistakes but yakiringa kura kile cases you admitere ataringa kura ko mwanya. What does that one mean? Kajuang aretwira Meru bari season ya madness mbuga kinyabu tukwalia una ogwe mbuga madness gutunga indi. Well, it could be true. Lakini re if Meru bonde bari mad then madness is for the right cause. Nunto ikethora Meru bange bonde bari mad na bare akibati mad ni anto baire Meru governor na mukuru ne ugire those were his ones otebyo ndrongera kana ntaura wengo ugire bara bati mad in governor na mukuru wawe na ndere batu twambire gweta tukiaragia kila pali manto jate kubwa twalie orova ruko b kenda turo tutemand. I'm saying it is the high time to the madness yunguge edra madness uneka unite ya Meru kenda toewa gitiro ne antu bangi bonde ndene ya Kenya, then we better make it work. Itukale toe mad but then madness unerite nguge Mumeru ayewe gitiro kira kiawe kira ko deserve. We are one of the greatest communities to gwetekaniria kire counties to aringirite William Ruto kura turi number 4 in terms of voting pattern, but then ugatega in terms of resource allocation na bintobira bikuja groundine biteko commensurate na kurira twaringite na Meru tutikwe wagitio kira kigete. It is the high time to unite ya Meru bali na mugambo jomwe na tomba kuthithio u we shall be respected. William Ruto imochore wetu na tuendete muno but then twaraga ko unite batu turi a Meru tutumba kujukia resources kuma kirewe
Kaimekuru kuwasire aditwa pato adwa MCA lawyers found Marians. Honorable Kawira lawyers were better and prepared. They used all the means including lies to save their client and congratulations to them. Let's give Kawira now time to perform. Do you agree lawyers have failed the MCs and the
I do not agree. No, to you know kaba purere to the book na bariria uma, you know, tell the truth and the truth will set you free. Imbie gato mabobe eta ko edit videos ira chia edit ito chigekero Senate cha kwa irianto na induce emotions of which ni urongo anto abwetera uma. You know one thing na kira woni nyante kuigwa ibo na kinyabangi they are standing tall in the whole of the country bate kuigwa ibo kinyempis beto bate batare ko bakiga wa ibo no nto kira ba championate ni uma. It is true that in Meru there is incompetence. The fact that the Senate is favoring incompetence, it doesn't mean that incompetence is. That is a fact. It is true that in Meru there is a problem. Na bondi ba admitere, Kenya senators bongo ba admitere there was a problem. Ito aeja nire uma boito mawakili ja county assembly ija aeja nire uma on their part, and I'm telling you, ikwari na meya ja maingi jara Kawira athithitie jaringi kirwa kiri impeachment na jabuja gwikirwa kiri impeachment, but they chose a few kenda kinyegi tara ko argue. You know, when you have too many cases to argue na time limited, of course you may not deliver, but you say the very few ile baka argue na bombe ko induce evidence boega na baromba kuthithia u. We cannot agree the irrelevant na baromba na ikia tumitogotekaniria nyanga vana wengwa na admit some of the cases, especially those two ira chiakinyete kura 19 na kura 20. They were well articulated, argued na baraeja na evidence na ngavana wengwa ara admit guthaithite meya jau jo andikani ubutani baruko bi went na admit wengwa, but then kinya mandu ya ngavana admit batamudika papo na kinya batamuria na bataya recommendations what will happen next. You know, right now igoro na tinye igoro ngavana ake akwa acquitted Senate traffic marshals para bari bakurwa nirigo bachokera njirene na naru aba guterrorize antu betu Meru mutindo. Does it mean because
wait quick into ngondong confirm traffic marshals governor reweta senate bondi bari tro barabara na baro batego exist kabara chogere barabara nta
I have seen them. I have seen them. I have personally
na
seen
governor
them.
na ure senate atuibo andika
You know now, ike tumtukuga thine miru tekera thira even thinka thine rongerekere nuntu kwa kwiti governor kwa karere je kabuku confirm me ya jara yawe kwithura je sawa na twambe tweranwe traffic marshals they are our brothers and sisters na twenda petho bakiona muchara but employ them in the right procedures na njirera yagirite ya kikatiba kenda kinyarire okaejuka governor nuntu okaejuka governor
no governor unkithikira wera atri ati andikite traffic marshals yare piloting na hiyo kitu ilisha so I am wondering kithi bachogera barabara ni really interesting okay now far from that kwina deputy governor kwina members of the county assembly mwankatha hii antuba patikuonana ritho kuritho na governor na kwenda antuba the members of the county assembly bambo kulokiria budgets supplementary budgets na policies nyingi ndene ya assembly governor na netre a crucify bamo barite ngwe bawe CC county secretary chief officers awu mantwera ibo baritite atiko involved directly county assembly area yao ibo bakulukiria ntubara kwena petition ni kuendelea mitandao na nidonere baro anto be petition county assembly benge mawaziri bara na chief officers nonto ibo be nambi ibo be na makosa ifato MCs bakinga chief officers bana nya county secretary mero yitete okarate because governor atme kurandiri karate na executive tena mawaziri na tena chief officers if bake akwana mero ya karate number 2 deputy governor miarira yaritwe na uthubura bure atetika baba obele ntikumenya nugumba kuyobo atanithia. What is the way forward here, Meru?
I think the way forward, governor gwetiaria rais well impeachment ne karekere na senate ne musevere irrespective of jereira cha tumero a champion ngwataniro ere wengo aliriri senate ete akachwe ngwataniro nanto baba na mbuge kwena ngwataniro kana gutena ngwataniro nguge achibatari kuthachikendere by the way thirikari titarutha thirikari gutiro kwethara kwena break ati thirikari igita ririte gwita nguge ni untu bwa any reason whatsoever governor nete etathithie right now supplementary budget ibatere kuthwa before assembly no eja executive no trekia supplementary budget assembly bagwathanite kana batigwatanirite the law requires supplementary budget equal assembly na MCAs well you know inyaikia the only thing they can do iko amend kana bakagwithia agachokia ringi baka amend but at some point no monke gakuruka ekari whether by amended or whichever the cost ili bakamunengera supplementary budget so lazima kuthwa kwina ngwataniro ekanywa kena kugiyumba kuthwa kendelea gakulitika o mtu agaita ngugirere wenya ngwataniro egwiteo ngugibatere kuthwa yenderete so thirikari template but buke turingenda kuthwa kwina ngwataniro but kira gikareta ngwataniro ya uma ingenuineness ya nkoro mbere mago tone down marumi go tone down verification
no point is antobaba kawatanira because I have heard some of the governor's supporters barikiri station yawe still bakimeneria deputy governor baimwira narenda kuyukia utongere na murango ya nyuma
in that case ngwataniro etioneka nuntu of course the moment marumi genderere kwigintu pendori ya rais narua turingi jaja bere impeachment gweto ndenge tumire governor mwanya lakini ndaru nuntu na save as however much nte kwangiri nawe my language will be very respectful no governor karani you know siasene we don't have to agree at every point in time apana we have to disagree at some point but then for the greater good ya community itupatere kwangiri kema ntujaraja go serve community na ndi governor na hali ya rais differences tirio cha siasa kayukando ichitoreo at the end of the day we differences cha siasa kachwethiri ya kulita ngugi te siasa ya siasa antu bagwatana ira for convenience by the way au no mistake ira governor akuthithia mistake nene muno gakuthugania in politics there is nothing like trust. It's about convenience. Ne ata tugutethania Rigathi Gachagua na William Ruto kabeke ne arwa for convenience. You come from Mount Kenya where he got votes, you come from Rift Valley where we need our people. Let us come together, to forge together, to wadanire, to let kura mwe, to choke to the thirikari. That is convenience, the trust.
What happens to the chief officers na CEC Barangavana are implicated na wrongdoing kire county ya Meru?
Important kinyani ngwa petition you.
Yes.
In fact, from here ndeta nkamicha ina kinyani. Nundu inkwangiri na ntoba uba champion teto yu. Ne ata kwangiri nabo. Governor na admitere. It wasn't me, it was the county secretary. It wasn't me, it was the CEC finance. It wasn't me, it was the moment and Dimitri, and she was on oath. Then ya Senate, she was on oath. Na arandimeti meya jate jakwa ija mtu yonge. That is already evidence enough ya kuga mtu yonge na yithete makosa. Then kethera Senate ne remoro ko ndi mtu yo capable. Then gatuteke mtu onenkererwe meya. Na kinyago kia kabungi, at least let us see some of the people ba kojokia blame eu na ba punish for the blame. Kena moving forward. Rukoruru ruteke endere yake Meru antu bathingate sheria. You know ngogete kulita nguge yake thirikari ni obatere kulita nguge na nguge uthingatite sheria. Kwandikana ni ntubu bwega muno na mbuge na arua Martin antu bara bonte baandiki thirikari ne kinya irregularly. Tutenda babutwa but employ them in the right procedure. Babuto uni uturonka nenkero biuba nenkairwa. Paandike na njirera yagirite kena kinya thirikari ire ngikeya itija yambiria kurwana bono ntune atano cia twambiria kubatetera kairi. Paandike na njirera yagirite. Tio baandika procedurally mtu ethirwa atije ina ari. Umwandika ari muthambia ucoke umwike kulita ngugi ngite kuthambia. So Martin Antobara governor ugire ibo ene makosa. O mtu ikosa rire anenkerwe na akamate mutharaba jwawe. Na in fact ito aberete mbere impeachment. Turabera meya jangi ngavana akobura buthithia bukathithia. Footprints chenu, fingerprints chenu kigetho icho chikuonekana kire mantu jau yathithitwe. Buga kamatithio mutharaba jau. Pathuganiriru ugo. Now that the goat has come home for slaughter. It is the high time.
The chicken have come to roast.
Yes, the chicken has come to roast.
Now, tukirikia Bwana Kaimenyi. Nindironere bona alwale. Aitandika Rigathi Gachagua bunene amurare ke hukumira siasa cia Western because when on to deputy president hatina kanya kakuingilia Western na kithea na kuibanga no to siasa za 2032 then neta ithwanie no to it is time kinya Western nyabo for the presidents na untububu ke arua Moses Kura nethirite area to logins na deputy president could be something cooking regarding Kenya Kwanza.
Could it be there is a bigger power behind Moses Kuria, behind Arware? Could it be? I don't know. Lakini ukaja kuona ikigamba ya kiura negachoka kinya kuthungutha iri thungutha ya kiura, there is a very great possibility ikiura. And out twetete mbere, we haven't seen things. Things are getting worse than better. Either way, buge umantu ibabatere kweja na gitio, orinjo ni batere. Ora tukuga Meru ibaye gitio kinyanto bara bangi babatere kweja gitio kira gikiao. Nina mono ni ndenda kuigwa Meru baye gitio kira gikiao. Tetu ndo tukitonya yiro. Lakini that notwithstanding tukauga president na deputy president ni anto barinjo ni mwaki. Of course no monkaba kamendo na other areas no to president na deputy president pande guru yonde irrespective of which area. But then political issues tia area ichipatere kwa some little respect kinya thirane anene boka anto kanya ka kuibangira bantu jao baribo bogitonyera buri tonyera in terms of development. Otherwise touga batonya ire siasa chionde everywhere. Then the guru yetu igachoka nyuma kuraja muno tugachoka times ira president arunga maka akauga ndenda ngania kuthithiruona na gugatwika ugo twimba ku question president kinyarira atitite bwega simply because noe we na power ya gugwikia where you want to go next igita ribiri akurukire, let us not crawl back to those places and to those times. Igita rira turi na arua iri antu kuibanga baribo te kubangwa. In fact president kuri gakiribu kangi no neka thirukite the other day one of the youths in Kenya ntirikana ipati iriku akiugaga antu bara a youth bara president athiurukire akiraga wajinga waliisha Kenya no bo bare ona arua ibo bakwatho. Those are the same people. Walikana tukiriomba kura tougaga wajinga waliisha. President Uhuru Kenyatta akiragwa nuntu bakureta Raila guku akerwa wajinga ibathirire ate indi umenyo antu bau bera wajinga ibathirire no bo bari ntiguru neje turi na arua. So kinyaja na tukwirwa inyabongo ibarikane ukawo majinga ibathirire twina antu bakulison bakuona kuraja bagutega na rura tukarweta na ndenda kuga atiri ndira nkwaria nkiaragia cia President William Ruto na Rigathi Gachagua ndiariria antu ndaringire kura antu ndaromberete kura na antu ngo support kinya na arua, but then there is a lot of adjustment chibatere kuthithwa thirikari-ini chiarega kuthithwa mantu jatithongi.
Thank you. Bwa bwana Kaime no tuko na kanya kwarania na Meru kwarania na Kenya na ibwa mutegera no tuko thina baturu kurorwa ri ngutikia miambo eku na wambi bwaku antu bakuibwa era brabe matoba kuibwa no twende to agree to disagree. So twetere tuone Meru imbibikana fundi no ntu mwaka thai it's still tuko hapo tu ture out. Anyway, yote tisi ya 10 together tukumethia mauntu mwanya wirawita na mbere kiri mitandao yetu na kinya kiri nteto chetu cia thaa 7:30 na 9:30. Hithira wina tugwembea bitwa mutembea. Thank you very much bwana Kaime.